What's going on YouTube? I just picked up this box off Home Depot. It's the 48-inch Ridgid box, Series 48ROS. Let's take a look what's inside. So there's the toolbox. It's the 48-inch Ridgid. As you can see, it already has a small little ding right there up on the top. I'm sure I could live with it though. It's gonna be meant to be out on the outside. It is a toolbox after all. It's pretty good shape, not too bad. I do see small little dents. I'm sure Home Depot ended up doing all this mess. Let's take a look what's inside. Let me get my flashlight, see if I could give you some. So it has a little carrying case, and I believe it has that little plug, or the little cap, so you can put it right there up in the corner to run all your electrical tools. It's pretty good finish on the paint. Not too bad. It has two U-bolts for your locks, so you could attach one there, one on this side, right over here. Now it's pretty good. Can't complain. But one thing I thought it would have would be the mesh that they saw. They put right up on top, but apparently I guess they don't. It's in good shape. Can't complain. Let's see how this thing closes. Not bad, but yeah, it's a little chip, but it's alright. And this little weather strip right here, I'm sure I could fix it. Just gotta put it back in its place. Let's take a look at the other side. Well, that's not too bad. I can work with it. But there you have it. This is a 48-inch Ridgid toolbox from Home Depot.